Imagine sitting at home, talking to people, having fun, and waking up to a bank account full of money. Sounds too good to be true? Well, it's not. Today, I'm going to reveal how you can turn Popo Live into your personal money-making machine. And trust me, people are making thousands of dollars doing this. But here's the kicker. Most people have no idea how to maximize their earnings on Popo Live. That's why I'm breaking it all down for you, step by step. Stick around till the end, because I'm going to share an insider secret that can skyrocket your income fast. First, let's talk about how Popo Live actually pays you. This platform is a live streaming app where viewers send you virtual gifts, which you can convert into real money. These gifts come in the form of diamonds, and you can cash them out once you hit the minimum withdrawal amount. But here's the shocking part. It's not just about going live and hoping people will throw money at you. There's a formula to it, and once you understand it, you can start earning $100, $500, even $1,000 a day. You have 3 seconds to grab someone's attention when they scroll through Popo Live. If your profile looks boring, you'll get ignored. But if you set it up the right way, you'll have people clicking on your streamer's profile picture. Use a high-quality, eye-catching photo. Look fun, inviting, and professional. Bio, make it clear what your stream is about. Something like live daily, fun, games, and VIP giveaways. Background and theme. Choose a cool background for your profile that reflects your personality. Remember, first impressions make or break your success on this app. Here's where the money starts rolling in. The biggest mistake most new streamers make? They just sit there and wait for people to send gifts. That's not how you get paid big. Always have energy. If you sound bored, people will leave. Keep your energy up and interact with your viewers. Engage with everyone. Welcome new viewers by name. Ask them questions. Make them feel special. Encourage gifting. Say things like, "Who's going to send the first gift of the stream? Let's start with a bang. I see username in the chat. Are we getting a big gift drop today?" The secret? Make your viewers feel like they're part of something special. When they feel connected, they'll happily send gifts. More views, more gifts, more money. But how do you get more people to join your live? Stream at peak hours. The best times to stream are evenings and weekends when people are active. Use clickbait titles. Instead of going live, try big gift giveaway. Who's the lucky winner? Or live now, mystery challenge for gifts. Network with other streamers. Join other streams, comment, and make connections. Some streamers might collab with you and send their audience your way. Be consistent. The more often you stream, the more likely you'll get featured on the app's front page. Once you master this step, you'll have hundreds of viewers daily, and that's when the big money starts rolling in. Now let's get into the real money-making secrets that the top earners on Popo Live use. VIP tiers and loyalty viewers. The biggest streamers build a VIP fan base by offering exclusive perks to their top gifters. Try this. Anyone who sends a $50 gift today gets a special VIP shout-out and follow back. Top Gifter of the Week gets a personal video message from me. Join events and challenges. Popo Live often runs contests and promotions where you can win extra cash just by streaming. Always check for events and participate. Encourage battles and gift wars. This is where the big money comes in. Challenge another streamer to a gift battle and get your fans to compete in sending gifts. The more competitive, the more gifts you receive. Promote your streams on social media. Share your Popo Live link on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook to bring in new viewers and gifters. Offer exclusive content. Some streamers make private group chats for their top gifters and offer them behind-the-scenes access in exchange for bigger gifts. Now, the moment you've been waiting for, how to turn those diamonds into real cash. Meet the minimum withdrawal amount. Each platform has a cash-out threshold, so make sure you hit it before requesting payment. Choose the best withdrawal method. Some methods have lower fees, so always pick the option that lets you keep more money. Reinvest in your streaming setup. Buy a better camera, mic, or lighting to improve your stream quality and attract even more gifters. So now you know the exact steps to making serious money on Popo Live. But here's the truth. Most people will watch this and do nothing. The ones who take action? They're the ones who'll be making thousands of dollars a month. Will you be one of them? Comment below if you're ready to start earning big. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more money-making strategies. Your online income journey is just getting started.